owners. I'm Rodel Garcia, your marketing executive at Herencia de Julieta Realty. Welcome to Madonna Residences, a rising community in Sindalan, San Fernando, Pampanga, offering 24/7 security, resort-style amenities, and a fully furnished home like a hotel-like feel. Today, I'm excited to show you around our beautiful Rodel model. This unit sits on a generous 164 square meters lot area with a spacious floor area with approximately 135 square meters. This is a fully detached home, giving you added privacy, extra space, and a comfortable environment ideal for families or anyone who prefers a quiet and relaxed setting. Let's begin here at the carport. It is around 30 square meters and can easily fit at least 2 large SUVs. And one of its standout features is the front access door, which is a practical touch that allows you to enter the side of the house without going through the main entrance. Before we head inside, let's take a moment to appreciate the exterior part of the Rodel model. You'll notice a neat pocket garden, stone walkways, a clean perimeter fence, and a simple landscaping that gives your home a fresh and welcoming feel. As we walk further, you'll notice that there's also a backyard space perfect for weekend barbecue, letting the kids play, or simply just relaxing outdoors. Now, over here is the service area. It is a practical space where you can do your laundry or prep your meals for outdoor cooking. Plus, it comes with this built-in cabinets upon turnover. So, you'll have an easy access to everything without needing to go inside the house. And finally, let's head over to the lanai area. It is a cozy little corner where you can just chill, enjoy morning coffee, or wind down after a long day. Whether you're spending quiet time alone or catching up with friends, this space is made for those simple, feel-good moments. Now, let's head inside the house and see what's waiting for us. Welcome to your cozy living area. This space is all about bright, open vibes that make it perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Most of the furnishings, including the sleek furniture, television, air conditioner, wall niches, fluted panels, ceiling accents, and curtains and blinds are already included. Aside from a few personal touches, it's practically move-in ready. Now over here is the dining area. Simple, modern, and perfect for everyday use. It comes with a 6-seater dining set, great for families or casual togethers. And just off to this side, you'll see there's a sliding door that opens up to the lanai area, giving you an easy access to outdoors, perfect for your gatherings or enjoying some of fresh airs. And now, my absolute favorite part of the house is the kitchen area. Just look at it. It's not only beautiful, it's incredibly smart too. You've got this slick pull-out trays, plenty and organized storage cabinets, and every inch is designed to keep your kitchen clutter-free and everything right where you need it. Plus, you already have this double-door fridge, a built-in oven, a microwave oven included. So everything is set up, so you can start whipping up meals the moment you move in. It's stylish, functional, and totally ready for your next kitchen adventure. This house has everything a growing family could ask for. 4 bedrooms and 3 well-appointed bathrooms. Let's start downstairs with this bedroom. It's spaced perfect as a guest room, a room for elderly, a home office, or an extra storage if you need it. It comes with this bed frames and headboards, this built-in cabinets upon turnover. Just beside this bedroom is a full bathroom. It's neat, modern, and thoughtfully laid out with this shower enclosure, sleek toilet, stylish mirror, and a built-in shelves. It's a functional space perfect for your daily routine. Now, let's head upstairs. But before we do, let's take a look at this elegant glass staircase. Isn't it a stunner? It adds a modern, stylish vibe while also opening up the space and letting in more lights. It's one of the Royal model's signature design features. Upstairs, we've got these two common bedrooms. Both are designed for comfort and ease. Each one is fully furnished with a window-type aircon, a 50-inch flat-screen TV, a cozy bed with a headboard, a work or study table, and built-in cabinets. Whether it's for your kids, siblings, or guests, these rooms are move-in ready and feel like home right away. Over here, you'll find a common bathroom. Think hotel-like vibe every single day with shower enclosures, modern fixtures, built-in storage, and sleek finishes. It's functional luxury made for everyday living. And lastly, let's check out the master's bedroom. It's roomy and comfortable. And again, it comes fully furnished, so everything you see is part of the deliverables, including this bed frame, this working table beside it, a 55 inches television, and this built-in closet. There's also a split-type aircon to keep the space cool and simple. Modern touches that make the room feel clean and put together. It's a great spot to unwind and feel right at home. The private bathroom right inside has a shower, a modern sink, and a sleek toilet, designed to offer the same comfort and convenience you'd expect in a hotel, all without having to leave the room. So that's a quick tour of the beautiful Royal model here at Madonna Residences. To recap, this home sits on a generous 164 square meters lot and offers around 135 square meters of well-designed living space. You get a fully detached house with plenty of privacy, a spacious carport, a cozy lanai, and practical areas like the service space and backyard. Inside, the entire house comes fully furnished from the living room's sleek furniture, televisions, and aircon to the dining set, and even the kitchen appliances like the double-door fridge and built-in oven. All 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms are ready for you, complete with modern fixtures and that hotel-like feel in every bathroom. Everything you see is included. Whether you're looking for comfort, style, or functionality, this Royal model is a truly move-in ready.